So are you curious about a wine club? I am excited to share my wine club with you today. This is the 6 bottle mix set from Scout and Cellar. We call our wine club Scout Circle. So this month I decided to do the 6 bottle set because I wanted to take advantage of some sales that we were offering. So I'm still going to be getting 12 bottles of wine this month, but I decided to do the mix set for 6 bottles, and then I ordered another 6 bottles of a couple of wines that I wanted to try. So I want to show you what's in this mix set this month. So I'm super excited. We have a Gallivant Bubbly White. This is coming from North Coast, California. We have a Fiddleneck Chardonnay, and I believe this is also coming from Sonoma Valley. So this is also from California. Next up, we have another white, and this is the Dove Hunt Dog Sauvignon Blanc, and this is coming from North Coast, California. In our reds that I have this month, we have the Greeter coming from Redwood Valley, and this is a Merlot. This is going to be a club exclusive. You can tell by the gold label, so that means this is only available to club members. And actually, this particular label is only available to club members. We have 2 different wines, the Greeter and Nest, that are only available if you're a Scout Circle club member. So that's one of our reds. Next up, I have the K Fico Primitivo. This is from Italy. It's another club exclusive. And lastly, a Pinot Noir, a Middle Jane Pinot Noir, which is one of my favorites. This is one of our signature brands. So super, super cool. What we also do is we do a Scout Safe program for our wines in the summer. So we do ship wines in the summer, but this is the difference. You see that? We have gel packs that are in the box. We also have different packaging, special packaging to keep it extra insulated. And we also ship our wine bottles standing up. So there's a lot of extra packaging in it to keep the wine protected, also to keep it a little cooler. And again, the thing with our club is it's perfect for someone who's adventurous. You know, if you think about how much wine you drink regularly, that's why I typically buy the 12-bottle set, because I'm a heavy pourer. I have a couple of glasses of wine every night. If I have my boyfriend's home, then we'll have a couple more. So we may easily go through a few bottles in a week, and that's going to equate to about 12 bottles a month, if not more. So I like to be stocked because I like to enjoy my wine, and I hope you do too. But again, this is our Scout Circle Wine Club. Our club starts at $89 for 4 bottles. Then we have a white set for $129. A mixed set like this is $139. We have red for $149 for 6 bottles. And then for 12 bottle options, we have a mixed set that's $279, or all red for $289. I actually have a customer that orders 2 6-bottle white sets because that's what she wants. So our club is pretty flexible. You can schedule it monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. We can pause it, change it at any time. And again, the difference with Scout and Cellar are you're getting wines that are good for you in the sense that there's no chemical additives, there's no added sugars or sweeteners. It's wine, grape to glass, just as it should be. So cheers. I will be drinking one of these great wines later. And message me if I can do anything to help with your wine selection. Cheers, y'all.